I discovered that in the world too, there are the three types of people who exist. One are the type who don't know what they're doing on this earth. They know they are born, they are here, but they never have a purpose in life. In Urdu, the wonderful line, that din hua, raat hui, यूं ही zindagi tamam hui. Meaning that, there's never any purpose to the existence. The second type of people who I came across during my fundraising were the ones who want to do is to make money for themselves, make more and more money, and more is never enough. I mean, when there's one house, there has to be two, or there has to be one in, south of France and so on. I mean, there's never ever, I find that they never actually understand when they've got enough. And they basically look at themselves, they live for themselves, and they don't care. I mean, the Art Malik is here. I think that film was excellent, City of Joy, where actually in the film we saw this wonderful scene where the rich people actually had built this wall. The idea was that this wall between him and the poor people, because they didn't want to know that poor people existed. And sadly, that's what I discovered. When I started my fundraising, I expected that, some of the people who went to school with me, extremely rich, I thought I would be able to get a lot of money from them. But when I actually went to them, I mean, I never forget in Lahore we had this event where we had a 2,000 rupees ticket, which most people can afford. And Nusrat Fateh Ali, who's here, he was performing there. And I found that some of the richest people came on complimentary tickets. And, some of the poorest people, the chauffeur who drove me there, he actually paid and went in. And, that was sort of the beginning. I mean, again, it was for me, it was a discovery in life that I suddenly realized that, money has nothing to do with the richness. And that is exactly what the third type of people, I think, exist as well. People who actually are rich from inside, who actually live for other people.